Good morning, everyone, and welcome to San Nicolo Real Estate. It's good to have you back. I'm Natasha, and today I would love to show you an amazing property in the hills of Lamole, only 7 kilometers from GREVE, which is the main village in Chianti, between Florence and Siena, where all the most famous wineries are. We have this amazing property, which consists of a farmhouse and a barn. The barn has to be finished yet. We're going to see that one later. But now we're going to enter the farmhouse, which measures 150 square meters. Are you curious to come inside? So the first property I'm going to show you is the farmhouse, which has been carefully restored and refurbished. From here, we enter in this amazing and cozy kitchen. The property has been completely renovated, maintaining all the classical and rustic details. Through the kitchen, we arrive in this dining area. We have this incredible antique fireplace, which is big enough to sit in and heat yourself and have a glass of wine. Now I'll take you upstairs and show you the sleeping area. In this bedroom, we have an ensuite bathroom. And windows that have the view over the hills. Here we have a second bedroom, a double bedroom with an amazing fireplace. The overall atmosphere of this farmhouse is so cozy, and all the details we have inside just make you feel at home. The house once belonged to a very famous author, so it also has an historical significance. So let's go further and see the rest of the house. The property also includes a barn, which I'm going to show you. The barn measures 90 square meters. Currently, the barn is used as an office space, studio. The barn will also undergo the same treatment, whitewashing, lime treatment, to be in line with the farmhouse. and to make it more warm and comfortable inside. So this space is used as an atelier. As you see now, it still has a bit of a rustic, minimal look. But after the whitewashing line treatment, it will be in line with the farmhouse. Besides from the surrounding garden we see here, the property also includes 3 hectares of land, of which 1 hectare have 240 olive plants in production and 1 hectare of Chianti Classico. The rest is woodland. So also today's tour has come to an end. I really hope you've enjoyed this property. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please write us and subscribe. Thank you so much and goodbye. See you next time. San Nicolò Real Estate.